In this lecture, we will be exploring the options available under Agents section. As you can see, we have the option of Any, which informs Jenkins to run on any available agent. None, which informs Jenkins that there is no global agent, and if there are no agents specified at the stage level, then it runs on current Jenkins. Label, which tells Jenkins to run the script in a particular agent. We shall take a look at that next. For Node, it is essentially the same as agent with a label, but also allows you to specify the location of the workspace. We will also explore that later. For Any, we have already shown its usage in the Hello World example. Let's change it to None and see how it behaves. So as you can see, the pipeline script runs on the current Jenkins setup when we do not specify an agent under stage, which is optional. Next, let's see how label works. Let's go to Manage Jenkins and Manage Nodes. As you can see, we already have a slave set up right here. Take note of the name of the slave. It's called slave 1. We will need to use that for the label. Let's now go back to the Jenkins job. We will now change the script to point to agent label slave 1 and rerun the job. From the console output, you can see that the script ran on slave 1. Let's now change this to Node and also add in a new custom workspace property. This custom workspace has already been created on the server side, on the slave server side. Let's rerun the job and see what happens. So it shows that it ran on slave 1 and it ran under the custom workspace. So let's go back to the Excel spreadsheet. For Docker and Dockerfile, we will skip that for now. We'll cover those in a later chapter. So this concludes our section on agent.